weather is a bit gloomy today. Maybe a bit of showers of storms tonight. Washington County is having storms at around p.m. The National Weather Service in Washington has issued a tornado watch for Caldwell County in North Carolina. Be prepared to take shelter. Make sure to stay indoors and away from doors or windows. Weather is a bit gloomy today. Maybe a bit of showers of... Sunny at 78F in Atlanta. The National Weather Service in Atlanta has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the following counties: Calhoun County, Baker County, Brooks County, Fulton County, Webster County, and Dawson County. If you are outside, look out for hard rain or hail. Get indoors ASAP.
The National Weather Service in Birmingham has issued a tornado watch number 1581. The National Weather Service Doppler radar spotted a storm moving at 48 miles per hour that can and may produce tornadoes. Be advised. The National Weather Service in Birmingham has issued a tornado warning. National Weather Service Doppler radar spotted a tornado on the ground moving at 85 miles per hour and a wind speed of 128 miles per hour. Take shelter away from doors or windows. Take shelter immediately.
Oh, what is going on in here?
It's okay, relax. Watch this. Like a good neighbor, State Farm is there.
Hey, Dave.
Wow,
Is that your agent?
it's the jingle. Try it.
No.
Like a good neighbor.
Just say it.
State Farm is there.
With the sandwich.
Oh, yeah.
And the girl from 4E?
And can I get a hot tub?
Nice.
Find out what else State Farm agents can do for you at whyagent.
Could switching to Geico really save you 15% or more on car insurance? Did the little piggy cry wee, wee, wee all the way home?
Wait, wait, wait! Wait!
The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a tornado warning for eastern Davidson County in Middle Tennessee, southwestern Sumner County in Middle Tennessee, west central Wilson County in Middle Tennessee until 8 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 7:30 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Belmead or near Nashville, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Nashville around 7:40 p.m. Central Standard Time, Madison around 7:50 p.m. Central Standard Time, Lakewood, Hermitage, and Old Hickory around 7:55 p.m. Central Standard Time, Mount Juliet, Myrtle Hill, and Belinda City around 8 p.m. Central Standard Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Percy Priest Lake and Berry Hill. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.